you can't handle. Make my target, now I started shooting you bitches down at random. They call me Southern Comfort, make you jump on the cover. Hey, you're kissing and rubbing, you wanna grab the rubber. See, you ain't never met nobody in your life like me. You'll be missing the beat when you be exposed to the heat. You ain't got no degrees off in my psychology. You can't tell me nothing about me. Snitching bitches, I've been burning trees all day long. You gon' get fucked up when you run around my way wrong. I'm about to bring it on, show 'em all who's boss. I be naturally shining, I don't need the fucking flaws. Pay the cost, or I'm about to take it all. I'm not trying to be nice about it, I am fucking wrong. Make 'em crawl, I'm known for painting brains out the walls. Whether you got a pelt, a titties or a pair of balls, still draw. Hang 'em over the highest power line. The way we did it back in the day when you crossed that line. I ain't got no time, I'ma stay looking out for mine. I ain't got no time, let me introduce you to my nine. Must be blind, you can't see the outcome. Real life, you fuck with me, your ass is gon' be done. I do it one-on-one, like a taser gun. I leave it stunned, Atlanta or Alabama, I came to fucking stud. Use a cunt that make your hoe click a pussy. Saying that you ballin' and we know that you's a wussy, so don't push me. Patience, it won't wait that long. I can't tolerate a motherfucker when I know they wrong. I bust on, and I'm the type to take it chrome. You ain't got no fucking choice but to take your broke ass home. Steady choked out like my name was Tommy Chong. I stay creeping in your ass, even worse being gone for so long. I've been known for starting trouble, looking like Betty but talking all that Barney rubble. Now you're puzzled, so try your luck, get to kicking pebbles. Next stretch like Dino, cause baby I'm a rebel. I got ammo, so much is over for you and dream about the motherfucking day that we all pop up on the scene. Ain't no peeping the scene because we scheming on things, and I'm killing your dreams, it's not as sweet as it seems. I'm collecting my team and I decided you fake. Who the fuck gon' drop the verses that be hotter than Slay? Anybody, ain't nobody, not the motherfucking day. The real queen of Alabama, ho, I'm raising the stakes. Get your motherfucking cape and keep on splattering foes. Cause y'all sleeping on me, but I be killing you hoes. Ain't nobody, can't nobody do it quite like me. I love making bitches mad, cause y'all that's just how it goes. Superior flow, so strap it up all or nothing. Y'all ain't talking about nothing, so find a new job or something. I'ma make it to the top, so while I'm laughing, y'all cousin keep on talking out the side of your neck, and I'm buzzing.